all you need to know about fasting the day of Ashura. Why do we fast this day as Muslims? In Sahih Bukhari, when the Prophet ﷺ migrated to Medina, he found that the Yahud, the Jews, they were fasting this day. He asked them, why do you fast this day? They said, because it's a great day. It's the day that Allah saved Moses and the children of Israel from their enemy. Therefore, we fast this day out of a way of being thankful to Allah. The Prophet ﷺ said, we have more right to Musa than you. And he ordered his companions to fast this day, and he used to fast this day, alayhi salatu wassalam. What is the reward of fasting this day? It's confirmed in Sahih Muslim that the Prophet ﷺ said that this fast, it forgives a past year's sins, walhamdulillah. What are the days that we need to fast? First of all, the day we need to fast is the day of Ashura itself, which is the 10th of Muharram on the Hijri calendar. However, it's been confirmed in the Sunnah that we should fast with it the 9th, the day before, in order to be different from the Jews. So our fast as Muslim will be different than theirs. We fast the 9th and the 10th. If you can't fast the 9th and the 10th, then you fast with the 10th, the 11th. And some of the scholars mentioned, and all of this is confirmed in the Sunnah, whether it's the day before or the day after. And the scholars mentioned that an even higher level is for us to fast all 3 days together, fasting the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th. One might say, what if I can only fast the 10th? My schedule doesn't permit. I'm not able to fast. I can't fast a lot. I can only fast the 10th. We say, alhamdulillah, that's the lowest level, but it's permissible, and inshallah ta'ala, you'll get the ajr. One asks, what if I miss it? Can I make qada? Can I make it up? We say, no, this is only for this specific day.